Alright, welcome to our ultimate guide of lines from points. Okay, so in number 1 it says this: what is the relationship between A, B, and CD? And so we want to compare these two lines. Now notice, we want to really circle our points that go together. So I'm going to circle AB in one color, and I'll go ahead and circle CD in another. Now the way that you want to compare these is by finding their slope. So what is our formula for finding slope? Well, it is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And from here, we'll just do this twice and compare our two slopes. So let's go ahead and tackle our point AB. And you know what? Let's go ahead and label A x1 and y1, and let's label B x2 and y2. So I go ahead and plug that in, and now I have 2 minus negative 2 over 5 minus 3. Now two negatives make a positive, so 2 plus 2 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. And notice 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our next point. So now we're going to talk about C, which I'll label x1, y1, and D, x2, y2. And when I plug those in, let's see, I get this. I get 16 minus 12 over negative 4 minus negative 6. Alright, pretty straightforward. 16 minus 12 is going to be 4 over, and negative 4, well, let's see, two negatives make a positive. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so I know that when these slopes are the same, I know that my lines are parallel. And that's all you do. You just compare the two. Now here's what I would suggest you do. I would suggest that you pause the video and you try to do number 2 on your own before watching the video. So try and find, let's go ahead and label these points correctly. It says ER, so I circle points E and R in one color, and I'll use a different color here. It says FT, I circle F and T in a different color. Alright, well, pause the video, take your time, try this out, and now I'm hoping you're back. So we can go ahead and say point E is x1, y1, and R is x2, y2. And so we have 7 minus 6 over 3 minus negative 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 over. Two negatives make a positive, and 3 plus 2 is, of course, 5. Alright, switching to this red color, so we have a little distinction here. I can label F as x1, y1, and T as x2, y2. And now we can say this: 1 minus 8 over negative 7 minus 5. Let's see, 1 minus 8 will of course give me negative 7, and negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12. And let's see, a negative divided by a negative is a positive 7 over 12. And notice that these are nothing. Yeah, they're not the same, and they're not opposite reciprocals. You know, they're not flipped and the signs are changed. So we would say that these, they just intersect. That's it. They intersect. And you could say that they are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Alright, I hope this helps, and I'll catch y'all in our next video.